All right, first graders, today is our second day on our Henry Matisse flowers. So we are thinking about Henry's bright colors for this project, and you are going to be allowed to do a little mixing today. So when you get your paper, you want to make sure that you have done all your outlining as best as you can, and it's nice and dry for us to paint. So I am going to try to make this look like a real flower, and I'm going to paint it purple. I know that if I have a purple colored flower, I probably wouldn't see green and blue in those petals. When a flower is a color like purple, most of it is purple. I could make some different types of purple, so at your tables there are some plates to share. So my brush has purple in it. I'm going to take a little bit of white and mix it with the purple. And now I have a really nice light purple. So I could do a pattern of light purple, dark purple, light purple, dark purple. Now, if I want to go back to my dark purple, I need to make sure my brush is clean. So when I clean my brush today, I am putting it all the way down at the bottom of my water cup, and I am going to squeeze out the extra water. Now my brush is nice and clean. If you don't like squeezing out your brush, you can get a paper towel and kind of wipe your brush on it. Now that my brush is clean, I can go back to that dark purple. That's looking nice. I'm going to paint the inside of that flower, washing my brush really good in my water cup, squeezing it out, and I'm going to get my yellow. My brush is nice and clean. That's looking awesome. Every time I switch colors, I am bringing my brush to that water cup and I am squeezing out the extra water. These paints today are pretty nice and clean. We want to keep them clean for our friends at our table and for the classes that have to use these next. I'm going to start with the stem next. And I'm going to make a nice green in the middle. And I kind of want those leaves to be a lighter green. So my brush has green on it, and on my plate this color still has a lot of white in it, so I might bring a little bit of it over here and mix a lighter green. Oh, I like that a lot. And then I would color this one shape with that new color. I'm not taking this color and just painting everywhere. I'm trying to stay in those awesome shapes that I have made already. Every time I get a new color, I'm washing my brush. So, on my finished example, you will see red and pink. Pink is just red and white. A light blue that was mixed with white. A light purple like you've already seen. Look at that pattern. That peach color is white and orange mixed together. The greens. You do not have to have mixed colors everywhere, but I'd like you to try it in 1 or 2 spots on your painting. If you want to mix everywhere, you can, but you don't have to. Finished projects are going to go in the drying rack to dry. You are responsible for bringing up your dirty paintbrushes to Mrs. Cleary's table. They can soak in the cup, and then you might need to wash your table spot if it got messy, so you will find some rags at the sink to do that.